Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the long-awaited what is in my Louis Vuitton Never Full MM. I've been getting so many requests to do another one of these, and honestly they're my favorite videos to do anyways, but it's awesome to see that people want to see me do it again. So yeah, here I am gonna show you guys what is in my purse. But before we get started into today's video, I did want to say if you guys could please subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And also give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. And comment down below what your guys' necessities are in your purse. And yeah. So if you would like to see what is in my Louis Vuitton Never Full MM, then just keep on watching. So here's my purse. I've had this purse now for about 2 years and I've taken very good care of it. I don't wear it that much. I have been wearing it lately though. It has patinaed quite a bit. I just don't want it to get that ugly brown, but I mean if it does, who cares, I guess. But yeah, I honestly love this purse. It's my ride or die. And I try to take the best care of it as I can. But yeah, lately I have been using it since it is fall, since it is winter, fall, winter time. I've been using it quite a bit, and I stopped using my crossbody, my Gucci crossbody bag, just because, I don't really like it. It's not adjustable. I love the color of it and stuff, but I just don't like that it's not adjustable. So I am selling that crossbody bag. And also it has a fabric material, which also I do not like. So yeah, I'm selling that crossbody. Let me know if you guys are interested. DM me on Instagram. You can follow me there at Raising a Kind Little Human on Instagram. Go ahead and check me out. Message me there. I am selling on Mercari, but it's taking forever for them to even approve it. Now you have to get approvals. I don't know why it's taking so long. I've provided all the information they needed, but they're just taking their time with it. So that is annoying. Anyway, so let's jump into what is in my bag. This is what it looks like inside. I'll go ahead and show you. It's a big mess. I don't use an organizer anymore. I stopped using them because I just found that it was making it to where I couldn't it was so structured, and I don't really like structured bags anymore, and I didn't like that. It would make it hard for me to even fold in the sides, so I stopped carrying those. So yeah, now it's just a big giant hole, which it does suck sometimes when I'm looking for my bank card, and sometimes I have the habit of tossing it in my purse instead of putting it in my wallet. But yeah, I'm gonna work on not doing that no more. Anyways, so yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first thing I have in here is my Instax Mini, the Fuji film or whatever. It's a Polaroid. I recently got this because I had one when these first relaunched, I would say. So back in 2015, so 5 years ago. And then I ended up giving it to my mom, and then I always missed having it and having one. So I got this. And I just got it in the frost I cannot talk. I got it in the frost white because I just like the color, but it's already scratching right there. I haven't really been taking the best care of it, but I do like taking pictures a lot. I have a little photo album. Well, actually it's a big photo album that I've been putting them in because I do want to keep these hard copies for later on in life, show my grandkids when I get old. So yeah, that's one of the things I have. So the next thing I have in my bag is my phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in white, which I did have a rose gold one, and that Maddie uses for fun because I switched to Verizon. For my case, I have the loopy case. It's so pretty. It's my favorite case ever. Besides it turning like brown right there, other than that, it's my favorite case. Please mind me if I keep looking that way. It's because of the viewfinder, so sorry. But yeah, so it's my phone case, super cool. I do love Louis cases. They are very expensive though, like they're like 40 bucks. So I do want to purchase another one, but I don't know if it's gonna be anytime soon. So yeah, here we go. The next thing I have is a Ray-Bans case. My Ray-Bans are actually in the car because I was wearing them, so that is useless. They're my black aviators. Then I have my Louis Vuitton makeup pouch. So I don't use this as much either because of the patina, but I am trying to like bring myself and working on myself to use it more. So I'll just show you guys real quick. Oh, there's a stain in here. Oh my god, no. I'm gonna have to wipe that up. So I'll show you guys real quick what is in here. It's just the medium pouch. God, what in the heck is in there? It's like makeup everywhere. So I have my Chanel To Go perfume. This is in Vuitton, I don't know how to say it. I'll link it down in the description box below. But yeah, it's my favorite perfume. So I'm actually gonna spray myself right now because Joshy Poos is coming home. So you just like twist it up like that, and then, so it's a travel one. Favorite ever perfume. What is spilled in here? Then I have my Chanel oil blotting sheets. Very, very bougie. I don't know why I got them, but they have like a little Chanel like logo, the Chanel logo on them. Yeah, so I got those. I actually got that for my birthday last year. I bought it for myself. And then I have my MAC lip liner. This is in the color Strip Down. Oh, I think I know why there's shit everywhere. Is because of my NARS pencil sharpener. I'm gonna take that out because that's why it's dirty in there. I have my MAC concealer in NC15. I have my Too Faced matte lipstick in the color Cool Girl. That's actually what I'm wearing right now. I have my Chanel lipstick. Lipstick. This is in Rogue Allure. So I'll show you guys real quick what that looks like. Super pretty. Got that one. And then I have two lip balms, Aquaphor Lip Repair and Vaseline Advanced Lip Healing. So anytime I get sick, I buy some, and I don't know why I do that when I have some at home. And then I have my Travel To Go Poopery. It's great to carry with you, you know, when you gotta go. And then I have a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. And I have my House of Lashes eyelash glue. This stuff is literally the best, guys. Like, it makes your eyelashes stay. It makes your eyelashes stay pretty on, like, literally all day. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Oh my god. But yeah, that's like this is like the best eyelash glue. Like, your eyelashes ain't gonna fall off. It's actually hard to take your eyelashes off. Not that like it's gonna peel your eyelashes. It doesn't hurt, but it's like very strong. I love that stuff. So I do recommend, if you do wear falsies, to get that glue. You can get it at Target or off of their website, and I can link that down below for you guys too. Okay guys, so I had to switch cameras. I have my G7X on right now. This is actually one of the items I do keep in my bag. Unfortunately, I did have to swap them out, so if you do notice a difference in quality, that is why. Or if you do notice that like I'm super blurry at times, that's because this one has really bad autofocus. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this camera, the G7X, for sit-down videos if you're showing a lot of things. But vlogging, it's very compact. I do recommend it for that. But anyway, so yeah, had to switch out because the other camera was dead. Well, it died. So back to what is in my purse. Feels a lot lighter now that I got that out of there. I have my Louis Vuitton wallet. So it's this, I forget what it's, the Emily wallet. I can't remember, but it's this wallet. I love this so much. I wanted a wallet to match my purse. So that was very important to me. I got this, I believe, for my birthday. Or I think I just got it. I don't know why. So yeah, that's another item. I have 1, 2, 3 face masks in my purse. So yeah, these are definitely a necessity in the year 2020, possibly 2021. So yeah, I carry these around, definitely, obviously a must. I have some invoices for Josh's work, which is my dad's business. Tissue papers. With the weather changing so much, I have been getting colds, which sucks. But yeah, so I actually did have coronavirus too, like a couple of months back. I didn't really talk about it publicly on like social media or anything, just because I was quarantining anyway, so it didn't really matter. I didn't go anywhere. But I also didn't want to like talk about having it either, because I didn't want to get asked a bunch of questions. But yeah, I did have COVID. I don't know, I feel like I've had the flu, and I felt like the flu was worse than COVID first. I have quite a bit of things. I'm just going to pull this all out right now. A vape pen. So I got a vape pen the other day. I don't know why I got one. I only used it once. So I'm probably going to give this away just because those vape commercials like really freaking scare me. Don't worry, I'm not doing it around my daughter. I make sure to do it outside, you know, somewhere where she's not around. But yeah, so that is what's in here. A vape pen, it's called Glass. It was like $5, and then the cartridge was like $5. So yeah, that's what's in my purse. And then I have a disposable camera. I love taking pictures of my family on it because I'm going to get this developed and put it in my photo album. So I got this from Target. Look how cute it looks. Isn't it darling? So yeah, I got that. I'm like such a little like photography person. And then I have my tripod that was on my G7X. But obviously I had to use it, so yeah, I took it off. But yeah, my tripod. I use this all the time. It's a Manfrotto tripod. Very good. You could get it off Amazon. I'll link that down below for you guys too. Then I have my Louis Vuitton key holder. So I love this key holder. It's so great. You can put like your cards in the bag, and it has 6 rings on it. It does kind of get annoying sometimes when they like bunch together, but other than that, I really do love it. So yeah, I have this key holder, and it's in the color fuchsia because they didn't have baby pink, so, or like the rose pink, rose ballerina. So I got it in fuchsia. Next item in my purse is a receipt from my bank. So I can go ahead and toss that over there. And then my Chanel compact mirror.
Hi guys. I love my mom.
Oh, I love you. And then I have my Brazilian Kiss lip balm. Oh my god, guys, this stuff is so good. It moisturizes your lips so well. They don't feel super dry after, and it lasts quite a bit of time. You could get this off Sephora's website. And I have a Tide to Go pen. This is definitely a must if you have any children, or if you're, you know, accidentally have a spill on your shirt from a drink or whatever, because that does happen to me, especially if I drink coffee. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting that as well. And the next thing I have is my pouch that came with my purse. I don't really use it, but I could probably put some of this stuff in here. I have used it, like, I used to use it a lot. As you can tell, the patina is like very dark, but then I kind of just stopped using it. I don't know why, but I should probably start using this more, because sometimes I don't even like taking my crossbody or anything. And then the last thing I have in here is my glass vape pen. So yeah, I don't have anything in the side pocket. Everything else in there is just receipts, which I don't feel like, you know, going through them. They're boring. They're just for like grocery stores or whatever. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like I said before, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me to have your guys' support. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.